my Christmas tree over there is 12 feet tall. You could say it's oversized. So I thought, why not lean into that and go with other oversized Christmas decor? I'm Anna and I have some simple, cute, but big Christmas decor ideas. I want something big and a bit unexpected here in the entryway. I'm thinking a stack of big jumbo gifts. I found this cardboard that fits in actually really nice to act as my base. That's pretty solid. This is a wooden broom handle that I've taken from the garage. I'm gonna use it as my middle support. I'm just gonna kind of cut a little hole and drop it right into that cardboard that I just put in. These are the boxes that I'm going to be using as the gifts, but I don't want them nicely stacked. I think it'll look a lot more fun if they're topsy-turvy. I want the bottom box, the biggest one, to be tipped right on one of the corners, just like this. So in order for it to be able to slide down the pole, I have to cut off this corner and then this one right here. And I also need to pick which two sides look the best. Those will be facing forward. So I need to cut some corners and I have a blade to help me out. That wasn't hard at all. Now the next box is even easier. I just want it to be straight, like it's just sitting on the floor like this. So I just need a hole right through the middle and then right to the top. First, I'm taping up all my flaps. Okay, now I can cut a hole right here. And another one right here. One last one, and I think it looks best like this. Yeah. I'm cutting this box the same way as the bottom one, opposite corners off. This wasn't the only mistake I made right here. I also turned off my mic, so this is voiceover Anna. I only needed to cut off one corner because this is the top box. But look how excited I am about the progress. Other than no volume and cutting off too many corners, this was way easier than I expected. Thankfully, I could tape up the corner I cut off easily, and this was all going to be covered up so no one will see my boo-boo. All fixed and ready to be wrapped up to look like gifts. After wrapping, I punched out my holes and assembled the tower. To really give off Christmas present vibes, I sewed some large bows to attach to the boxes in coordinating colors. have my glue gun, a bin of greenery, and I sewed some bows. And I think that's all I need to finish this off. My stack of presents are all done and they look fabulous. Okay, it's just a pole, which I took off of a broom, some boxes, which, I mean, we all order, so we know we have boxes, wrapping paper, and then just some embellishments, like just decoration. Oh, and that planter, that's a planter I regularly use outside. So this is just stuff you have laying around the house and it looks adorable. Oh, you've got to try this. It's so good. This is a glass globe from a light fixture, and I want to use it as a glowing ornament. I have 3 of them, and I have used them before where I did turn them into glowing snowballs, but this time I want to make them into ornaments. So I need little toppers, so let me show you what I'm using. I have my globes and this on top, and then I wanted to add a ring attachment. You know, that's how you'd hang it on a tree. So I have these wooden rings. These ones are from curtains that I got, and the smaller ones from one of the dollar stores around here. So I need to cut these kind of in half and then glue them on. It's gonna look cute, right? The rings are cut, so now I'm just going to use hot glue to attach my rings. These things are definitely not going to hang. They're just going to sit as a centerpiece. I'm just adding a little more glue to fill in the void that's here. Now this one's painted silver because I was using it for another jumbo project in an earlier video, and I ended up changing my mind. So I have it already painted. I want these to look more like they're the metal piece on an ornament, much more than they do a food container. So I feel like I need to embellish them a little, which I have 2 ways of doing it, 2 ideas of how to do it. And one of them is using these little sticker embellishments. I'm just gonna put them on to kind of make it look like the metal has some kind of detailing. And then the other way, I think I'm gonna use a little bit of hot glue. Let's see how this goes. Right now, these look pretty ridiculous. It's like bedazzled plastic food containers. But I'm going to spray paint them and then age them. And if I don't like how it looks, it's a plastic container. I just do another one. So spray paint time now. The lids are now dry, but they don't look just right yet. So I'm going to age them with a little bit more paint. These lids turned out all right. Now let's see how it looks on one of the ornaments. Come on, that's so adorable. Now, to make them lights, you just put any battery operated light inside. So you can do a light bulb, one of the puck lights. You can even use just Christmas lights that you have that are battery operated. Let's see how it looks with one string of fairy lights. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, that's not bad. Oh, it just glows. Okay, that's really good. Okay, I have the other ones to try out, and then I have to style them somehow. I think I know where I want them. I want them in front of the big tree, the 12-foot tree. But, oh my gosh, I'm kind of impressed. These jumbo glowing ornaments are so adorable, and to think it's pretty much just a sour cream container. What an inexpensive but kind of bougie looking project. I love it. You turned out so good. Well, that's the end of my jumbo decor. Well, except for that big tree. I still have to decorate that. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And happy decorating, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. My snack. Oh my gosh, box snack. Oh. My box of presents. Okay, my box of presents. No, not my stack. Yeah, decorating, that's always like a 2-day task. It's for the brave, really. It really is for the brave. But I gotta be brave and go do it now. Bye.